Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my creative space. This is the fashion lab. This is the lab. This is where I create everything that I create from my creative mind. So if you'd like to see all the things that I create, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at all my social media sites. I will leave those in the comments section below. But today, fabric flowers, and if you'd like to stay tuned to that, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is a scissors, thread, needle, I know you really can't see that, something circular, pencil, and your fabric. You need to trace your cut out and make sure it's visible. And another thing, I'll put the fabric size on the screen. The measurement that you decide to get depends on the circular item that you use, basically. So whatever you use that's what you're going to need for your cutouts. So basically, you're just gonna cut them out. I will leave the measurements of, like I said, the fabric and the top that I used to get these cutouts. Then you do the same thing for your other type of fabric. This fabric I'm using, it's a jean type of fabric, so you can use whatever fabric that you like, whatever you desire. You just use whatever floats your boat. And then if you can't see, like I was using the jean fabric, I couldn't see the cutouts, so I had to you can put a brighter fabric on top of a darker fabric so that you know exactly where your cutouts will be. And so you got all three, and you need 5 of each of these cutouts to make, and there you go. So now you're going to thread your needle. And after you thread your needle, you will notice that I made a knot at the end. Make sure it's secured. Then you're going to fold your circle into 4, as you can see. And then you're going to take your end, go in and out of your petal, and make sure to get it all the way to the end. It's really easy, y'all. This is a very simple project. Like I said, you're going to need 5 petals, so we're going to keep going until we get to our 5th petal. You're going to do that again, fold it into 4, and you're going to continue going through with all your colors. And guys, you can use this for pins. You can use this for hold on, Kayla, hold on. Hold on, Kayla. You can use this for headbands. Brooches, whatever. There's a lot of things you can use this thing for. Sorry for the noise in the background, by the way. I cannot control that part. And there you got to your 5th fabric. I'm for your 5th petal. And then what you're going to do right now is to pull them tight, and make sure not to pull too tight because you might break your thread, and you're going to have to do this process all over again. And after you pull it all together, now you're going to pull both ends and sew them together so they do not separate. And you're going to do that for all your colors. As you can see, I'm all the way down to my jean fabric. And there we go, all three. It's beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful is that? So anyway guys, this is it for the video. As you can see, I have my fabric flowers here that I cut out and they are cute. Now if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. And yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next creative idea. Bye.